Be careful.
We're at the yard again today. Light's still up. 5 last night. We got that on for the minute just to make sure the wire doesn't get warm. We're going to be knocking down this. Got to remove the electrics here. Oh right, yeah, I wanted to explain to you about the dyno hole because this hole looks huge. And the reason why this hole looks huge is because the dyno actually comes to about here. And our future plans is to buy the link that links the front and the rear bed to the dyno development's dyno. Well, Andy came up with a good idea earlier. We could just fill this up with water and put some carp in it and enjoy life. What are we doing? Going through all the rubbish? Yeah, I know. I know. We'll put this wood in the bottom because our bottom of the bin's munted. We'll probably have to buy another bin. Do we want these No, we don't want those glasses. Do we want this? No. Just bin that. Do you want a brand new torch?
Yeah. We need the torch.
We don't need the torch. It's shit. These umbrellas can go in the bin as well.
Why'd you put this in the bin, you fucking idiot?
Just leave it. It's not going to make us money every month, is it? Airbag, that can go in the rubbish. Flare, can we throw the flare in?
Don't think you can throw an airbag in.
Well, we did. Oh, so much crap. But we don't even know what we've got. We bought a business and there's just loads of wiper blades. Shall I just throw these? Waste of space, which is what I get called regularly. But look at me now, Ma. This is the shit bit, really, of having a business. Is
starting from zero.
Starting from zero.
But after it's all done, fuck me, it's going to be awesome.
Hopefully. We're going to either skint trying or... Yeah. Oh, we've got so much to do. Oh, I've got to do all the wiring. Basically, we decided we're just going to rip all the wiring out and start again, even though it's all like near enough brand new anyway. So the plan for today is kind of clean up, get all the shit out that we don't want, clear some space, because they should have really taken this wall down. The reason why I want to take this down is because it's not really connected to the wall. You can see it's cracked. And I can just see us dyno in a car creating loads of vibration and this shit falling off the wall onto the car. So we're just going to sack it off. As you can see, it's pretty non-structural. I think they're just there for show because that one there's missing as well. I'll just open this up and... Spanish Electrics is amazing. I don't really want to put my fingers in there because, knowing my luck, it's probably still live and I'll end up being cremated. Oh, it's just a shame really, the builders have let us down because otherwise 2 weeks ago the work that we wanted to get done would be done. It's not like we're not paying the bill or anything, it's just... Oh, first of all, they used the wrong concrete in the dyno hole, which is why it was not smooth. We had to pay the extra to get someone to smooth it out. Yeah, I mean, they've used runway concrete, which is called M30. Basically, we need C25, which is, over here is C20. And it would have laid a lot smoother and nicer, but it's done now. So, paint it up and live with it once the floor's all done. There's just so much crap in here. And this is the thing that takes the time, is clearing it all out, making sure we want to keep what we want to keep. That's cracked already down the middle. This is why we didn't want to use it, look. See the crack? Either side of the centre bit where they was getting the level, because they built a track there, they built a track there, and they built a track there to kind of level off the centre. But the dyno's kind of going to sit here. One track all the way down here, and the other track sits here. We've had this pipe put through. And basically this pipe's for the wiring to go through, so we need to sort that out as well, because that's not the greatest. Well, we need to think about if we want to think about if we want to remove it or not.
Look at this.
I know, I showed them, it's terrible. So why didn't they just move it up? Now is the time to do it, yeah.
The same was on the other side, but I saw where it came down. I sent you a video.
Well, come down one...
They put a crowbar behind it.
Yeah.
And leave it off the wall.
The only issue is that wood is around it. Yeah. But the thing is, when it all falls down, it might smash the hole. I don't know why they didn't fucking just do it in the first place. So you might as well just rip the whole lot down. Why?
We can't.
Well, hopefully the builder can. We'll just say to him, right, we just want this taken out.
Then you're going to fuck up the roof.
Nah, it'll be
What about
fine.
the other columns?
No, leave the other ones. Leave the other 2 columns.
Oh yeah, that one's gone, look.
Yeah, that one's gone now.
See where it's gone? Look, there's a pipe.
I think we're going to end up building the second floor out to here anyway. We'll ask the
This
builder.
is the conduit for the electric and the keeps on that.
Yeah, for now. And then we'll throw away what we don't want.
Cost it, I don't know what it cost us.
Well,
It's
I'd rather
okay.
do it all in metal. I just want to let this off.
God, please stop being so
Sorry, Nan. Right, the builder's here now, so we'll have a meeting with the building, and we'll speak to you soon. This is already connected.
You've already had a go at it, haven't you?
Yeah,
with
I
the
stuck a
thing.
chisel in it. We took all the airline off. The dyno's going to be here, and we know that this. I'd rather remove it. Mate, those Cambodians are fucking loud, aren't they? Look, they're going to fight.
They're going to have a scrap now.
We've got a film, bum fights.
Go on.
They've gone quickly, just see scrap men that come around and they pick rubbish and stuff and they're fucking running. What, you're going to fight him? I'll put 50 quid on our guy. Can I have this?
No, because it'll fall on your head, mate.
Yeah, but it's fine. I've got trapped.
If you don't forget, don't trip over there and then fall there and then that goes on you, because that's not good. Fraser, watch the top bit. Why would you fucking idiot? What do you?
Because I'm fucking doing it with the
You haven't got your headphones on, you idiot. So dangerous. So dangerous. It's completely ridiculous. Bombs away. Whole fucking thing is going. Oh my god. Look, if you work on this one now, look.
Right, if we get your Range Rover.
Work on this one. You're happy to do that. Work on that. And the whole fucking thing will fall off. Or even this one, but... No, this one. Oh, fuck me.
Straight.
What? That's pure fucking steel, mate.
Head rounded.
Bloody hell. Good, sir. Good, sir. You need some hair around it. Do not try this at home. Forgot to say that. Oh my god, look at the roof.
What? Oh my god.
I can't wait to put this on YouTube to say, right, we've had 2 building quotes and we've decided to fuck them off and just do it ourselves. We've got no building insurance.
Oh no, you fell back.
Yeah, you should have taken the box off.
It's still live as well, I think.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, it is live.
Oh shit, yeah, no, that's live.
That was close, but...
Wow, that was like...
Wow.
That was like literally like this far away from my fucking foot.
Oh no, I saw that. Part 2. Here we go. It'll just fall straight down. I think. Wow. That was a big bang. Nice.
So just had a trip to the tool shop, another 180 euros.
Yep.
On a wheelbarrow,
15% off everything.
sledgehammer to break the bricks up, new thing to get the shit off the walls, a new hammer and a wire brush and some goggles because obviously we didn't have goggles to start
We're in
with.
Spain, so we weren't really like
Health and safety.
worried about it so much.
No, they don't give a fuck anyway, do they?
Don't give a fuck, mate.
Right, let's load it up then. Drew's doing some more work. He's enjoying breaking the bricks up with his 3 kilo sledgehammer.